Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial that will describe what the Read and Write program is and how it integrates with Cloud4all. I'm going to briefly mention one or two features of Read and Write and how they benefit users with low literacy skills. We'll then look at how the preferences for two different users are retrieved from the Cloud4all Global Preferences server and used in Read and Write so both users get the specific help they need. Read and Write is a floating toolbar with sophisticated tools that enable users to complete writing and reading tasks confidently. The spell checker contains a phonetic map that matches groups of letters to sounds, and this enables Read and Write to list suggested corrections
spell check completed
to phonetic mistakes that standard spell checkers such as Microsoft Word typically miss.
At school I like to study physics.
Other features include a prediction engine that will accurately predict what word the user wishes to type next. There are many other features, and descriptions of each are contained in the many help videos available from the drop-down menus in the application. For this demonstration of the Cloud4all features, we will start with the Read and Write application closed. We can imagine user 1 approaching a device with Read and Write installed and inserting their personal USB key. This identifies them to the GPII server. I've just inserted user 1's USB key. User 1 is a teenage girl with dyslexia who has trouble writing passages of text. She has difficulty with spelling and choosing the correct words to use. The GPII application retrieves to the client computer user 1's personal preferences and launches the Read and Write application with those preferences. You can see that user 1 prefers the younger fun icon set and has the writing feature set loaded, containing spell as I type, predictions, scanning, with settings scan to PDF and scan from Twain, and her paragraph translation settings used when reading pages on the internet are English to French. User 1 also prefers the male UK English Daniel voice and certain pitch, speed and volume settings. She also prefers using one-word display as her visual feedback method when using text-to-speech. User 1 then removes her USB key and leaves the device. Read and Write shuts down and her settings, along with any changed settings, are stored back to the Cloud4all server. User 2 then approaches the device and inserts his USB key. Read and Write launches with user 2's preferences, which are quite different from user 1's. User 2 is an elderly Asian man who speaks English well but has trouble reading the written word. User 2 needs the reading feature set to help him with reading English. He also prefers a different icon set. His preferred speech engine is UK English Sangeeta with different pitch, speed and volume settings. He uses highlighting in document as his preferred visual feedback method, and his paragraph translation settings used when reading pages on the internet are English to Hindi. His scanning settings are scan to Word and scan to file. User 2 then removes his USB key and leaves the device. Read and Write shuts down and his settings, along with any changed settings, are stored back to the Cloud4all server. Thank you for watching this short video.